Okay, so I've had a lot of problem with person-to-person platforms before, mostly because of the WebSocket, but I'm just going to see if I can rebuild a Discord-style app from the ground up. So I'm going to just kind of talk through what I've done already, so you guys can see. So I literally just fired up Replit, which is what we're in now. We're going to design this between Replit and Cursor, and typed in, I want a web-based messaging application inspired by Discord, featuring peer-to-peer messaging and channel-based communication. The app will include real-time messaging in both private and channel contexts, user authentication, server guild creation, text and media sharing capabilities, user presence indicators, admin, UI style. I just want to use like the shard CN stuff, and essentially where I'm at is literally I just built it. So I was able to. I'll show you. I just tested this out just like 2 seconds ago. Register, and now I can log in. So I'm just going to log in with my account that I literally just made. Super secure. And yeah, here we go. This is basically all that there is here. So home, there's nothing. Then I can make a server. So what kind of server should we make? I'm just going to call it like testing server. Test, just to see if we can get this working. Okay, that doesn't work. So testing server does not exist so far. Okay, very small amount of console right now. Perfect. Alright, well this is kind of where we're at. We have a DOM exception, which is the bane of my life. Because this is the thing that basically kills all of the webhooks. But let's just see. So what did it call it? Create server. Okay. I can't create a server. I can't create a server. What should we say? When I click create, it does nothing. So what we're going to do, the plan for this is that we're just going to build like the basic infrastructure. We're just going to make sure that I can message and make servers, and then we're going to pull this into Cursor, because I think that's probably going to be the best way going forward. And then we've got to set up some Cursor rules so that Cursor doesn't just kind of go off the rails. It should be pretty much straightforward, because Cursor rules now are kind of a default. We just need to set up the project rules, but I'm going to get Replit to set up the project rules for me. So it should be like fairly straightforward, but making these kind of programs in the past using AI, yeah, has gone off the rails real quick, real soon. So let's just see. Test. No, not doing anything. Is there anything in the console? No. Okay. Still can't create a server. Please add some logs so we can see why. Make them fun with emojis, please. There we go. So this should help us diagnose what's going on here. Cool. So the reason why I'm using Replit and Cursor in tandem is basically because Cursor is just way better at handling this stuff, and I can do things a lot faster using Cursor. But Replit is really, really good at having like the database side and kind of the backend side, stuff I just don't want to mess around with. So, yeah. There we go. You see the beautiful logs being made with the emojis. I basically only put emojis in the logs just because they're easier for me to spot, like as the console is running. It's interesting that it's keeping me logged in. I'm just gonna go 1. Oh, like it added a little emoji to create server. Huh. Cute. Okay. Okay, no logs showed up. Okay. I'm just going to copy and paste this. Didn't see any of our logs showing up. Didn't see any of our logs showing up in the console, but I see this. Let's see. Okay. I think I'm worried about is like the use of the word server here. It's going to be a bit confusing. I've been trying out the O3 model as well to build this stuff and help fix things, and I don't get the hype. I don't know if I'm just using it wrong, but it just seems to be super slow, and it seems very narrow, like it doesn't look at the whole thing. I don't know, I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. Still more into Claude. Okay. I'm gonna log out and log back in. Maybe that's a reason why. Yes. Nope, still can't create a server. Okay. Odd. Okay. Create server button does nothing. Here is the console I see. Blah, blah, blah. There you go. With soap. Okay, now it's creating a pool, whatever that is. Really hoping that I can get this set up in the next couple of hours. That would be ideal. Okay, let's give it a try. It's like it's cooking me. It's very weird. I'll let it finish though. So the plan is we just get Replit to build the infrastructure and then we come over to Cursor. And hope that nothing goes wrong. I actually really like Replit. I like that it reviews things. And I like that it doesn't show you too much. Server creation form isn't being triggered by post requests. Let me add some kind of debugging. Great! You've read my mind. Now we have an emoji filled console, which is really nice. This is probably somebody's worst nightmare, but I actually really like it. And don't worry, that's not my password on there. Come on, Replit. I'm curious what Replit's using as its agent. I assume it's Claude, but it's just not as clever as Claude sometimes. So what we'll do as well is we'll see if we can get to a point where we can make this login look really nice. But I want to just make sure that the P2P stuff works right off the bat. And then I'm going to get it to do a refactor. and then just make that extremely robust. Because the one thing that goes wrong always whenever I make P2P stuff is that it loses stuff with the socket, it gets confused with the WebSocket. Like this DOM exception thing always pops up, so I just want to make sure that if it ever comes up again, we are real ready for it. Yeah, let's try. Blah, 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 blah. Create server. No, but I'm gonna... Is it because of this DOM exception? Maybe. So create server button. Still not working for me. This is in the console. And then I'm going to check the other console. There we go. For some reason it's not letting me connect to via SSH either to Cursor. But I guess we'll get to that when we get to that. Why are there so many like new database connections being established? It shouldn't just be like one time. As long as it does it quick, I don't really mind. I really like it when it works quickly. It makes me feel a false sense of security, like the problem wasn't that difficult in the first place. But let's see. You can do Replit, I believe. Still have that DOM exception. That's not good. Okay, looking at the error logs, I noticed that we're still having issues with the form submission. This is why we've got a log. We've got the log, got the log, got the log, got the log. Because then it'll fix itself. Agent memory is getting full already. Why and how? Okay, I'm going to stop this. I'm going to run it again. I would just love to get to a place, at least for the infrastructure's there, so then I can start pulling into Cursor and tell Cursor, don't you dare touch that infrastructure, because I will kill you. Okay. How am I still logged in? Does not make sense. I'm guessing it's giving me a cookie, which is nice. Oh, I don't want to adjust my brightness. There we go. Create server does nothing. Oh, brightness again. Okay, no. Nothing, 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 nothing. Okay, well at least we've got 7 form submissions started. Okay. Button still does nothing. Console. Fix it! Okay, see that the form submission's been triggered. We see the form submission started, which is why you always need to have good logs. But it's not probably handling the event. Let me completely revamp the form handling to fix this issue. Okay. That's fine. I do feel like I get a little bit spoiled with this kind of stuff, because this is coding just an insane amount of things that are just unachievable for me on my own, and I'm just getting like crazy impatient when it doesn't do it straight away. Nope. Oh yeah. Please think carefully. Yeah. Come on, Replit, you were supposed to be the quick bit. If we just get past the WebSocket thing, we are golden. My favourite part of this is literally just making it beautiful afterwards, which I can do very well with cursor. In the meantime, maybe we should just take a look. I like dashboards. Dashboards are like, what? UI? Like this looks nice. Oh, don't show me the thing then. Yeah, this looks good. What is that? This is nice. It's not what I need, but I want like this, but in light mode. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'm going to pull that into cursor later. Still got the DOM exception. Please fix it. Still on undefined. Fix it. Oh my god, I don't want to keep opening shit. Let me copy. Fix it. HMR system. Let's keep hunting. Let's get some ideas. Nice concept, Zilla. I do like it. I like this one too. I can't find the one that I found originally that I thought was really cute. I like this one too. I already see that it's not. You haven't fixed it. This is the problem that I keep running into. Okay, what can it do for me? I don't want any of that yet. You haven't. Oh, I don't want to shout at you. You haven't fixed it yet. please come. It is the same error of localhost undefined. Can we define it, please? I'm gonna sneeze. I hope you didn't hear that. Yeah, you just told me that you were gonna fix that. Fix it. It's good because I learn things from this. So next time I see that, I'm gonna be like, oh, okay, maybe we need something there. Please don't go red. Please don't go red. Please don't go red. Please don't go red. Okay, we didn't go red. Ah, excellent. Right. Still can't create a server. So we go one step forward, one step back. I'm going to say now web socket error is fixed. Thank you. Still cannot create a server. The button doesn't seem to do anything or open a new server room thing. What do I'm gonna say, how would you resolve it? Get it to reflect. Every time you get an AI to reflect, it's way better. Way better than trying to squeeze. Come on. I just want to get to the good bit, and I just want to get to Casa. Not that I don't love Replit, I do love Replit. But I just want to do all of the groundwork for me. Quickly. Okay. Nothing happens! Nothing happens. When I click create server button, nothing happens. Why is that? Sometimes you have to be very explicit with this sort of stuff and say, I want you to close the pop-up and open this. I'll check the dialog component and form submission handling. Good. Thank you. I'm sorry I'm sniffing a little bit, I've got a cold. Now you say that you investigated it, but I don't believe you. Oh, well I did something. I did a whole lot of something. Woo! Yay! Okay. Whatever. You did all this, which is better than nothing. What is this? Please fix it at your earliest convenience. The error occurs because we're not properly wrapping our form components in the form provider. Let me fix it. Good job, Replit. I'm so glad that I have you in my life. So once it's built all of this, I'm going to refactor it because it's going to make spaghetti code. Unbuildable spaghetti code. Can you try creating a new server? Yes, I can. Yep, nothing happens. Nope. This is literally all building with AI is. It's like the dumb leading the blind. Quite literally. Let's go. I would love to create a server. Oh yeah, the issue appears to be, oh, it's too fast. I didn't read it. But fine. Fine. Nothing happens. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. Stop. I'm gonna run it, just in case. I don't know why it does 4 database established things. Fine. Let's log out. Let's log in. Okay. Nope. No. Nope. Still nothing. Think carefully. Make a plan. Don't make changes. Tell me the plan first. It's good to get it to think out loud. Build. I believe. Oh, it just stopped. Okay. The plan? Question mark? It's like having a friend with ADHD. It's like, I will make that plan. Bye. Come on. You can do it. I believe. It's having a good old think. Tempted to just bring it into cursor already. Even though I haven't tested it. No. I get the feeling it didn't like me to ask it to reflect for some reason. Odd. I wish I could choose the model that it uses. Come on. I'm just gonna refresh. I have no patience. It's doing shenanigans. It establishes so many databases. Why? Come on, agent. You're so slow. Okay, I'm gonna just start putting in the preparations to connect by SSH. Yeah. Okay, it's not allowing me to. Okay. Do it. While I figure out why it's not working. It does it if I do it manually, it seems. Yep. Yes! Okay, we're fired up on Replit, so while it's doing that... sorry, cursor. Oh, let me change my thing. Huh? Nope. Uh-huh. Here we are. So, we're in cursor. And anyone who's not used cursor before, it's just, it's really, really good if you want to make better, bigger changes than Replit. A good thing to do is to start up with setting in some rules. So this is just rules for AI in general that I set up. So, you know, I say start every message with a cat because I want to make sure, I don't know if you can even see this, start every message with a cat, just basically because I want to know that the AI has read this. And then stack, I mean, this changes from project to project, but it's just kind of good things to keep in there, you know. Make sure you log everything correctly. Your source of truth is the database schema, and then just some kind of TypeScript, because I work a lot with TypeScript. And then I'm going to set up this project rules as well, but I'm going to get Replit to write those. Okay, Replit seems to have been done. Nope. There's like nothing in the console either. Like, why? Hmm. I don't know whether to drag this in already. I really don't want to. No, I'm gonna stick with Replit a little bit longer and see. I think Cursor could solve this in like 2 seconds, but it's just gonna start getting mixed very quickly. Still same issue. Can we please create more logs so we can see why the server isn't created? Right now, I press create server from the pop-up box. The pop-up box doesn't close or navigate to the server I created. Is this the desired outcome? Get it to do it. I get to think about it. Been thinking too much. You decide. Then hopefully with these logs, it'll be able to figure out what it's doing. What it's doing right, what it's doing wrong. Okay, let's try the thing. Nope. And no logs are appearing in the console. Why? Why would you do this? I can't wait until in like 3 months' time or in 3 weeks' time, the rate that AI goes, where it'll be able to do all of this itself and I don't have to keep copying and pasting between the console and the AI. That would just be wild and fun. Here we go. Let's try again. Woo! Nope, 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 nope. Same issue. Come on, I just wanted to... Like, one of the big hills was getting the bloody webhook to work. So, please, if I can just get it to make a server room, that's going to be great. And then, if I can send a message in the server room, that would just be the icing on the cake. And then we can pull it into Cursor and refactor it and break it all over again. Woo! Okay. Shocked Pikachu face. Are we done? No! It's not doing anything. It's like it's not changing anything at all. I'm just gonna rerun it. This is where I'm gonna get sarcastic with you. Try in the web view. Sometimes in the web view it looks better. Oh, go away. Nope. You didn't, you literally didn't change anything. Why? Why? I've had it in the past where it makes like a weird file structure. It doesn't seem... Let me make significant changes to probably handle the forms mission and add detailed console logging to track exactly where it's failing. Yes! Yes! That's not exactly what I want. Please. Alright, in the meantime, I'm just gonna show you guys. Oh no, no I'm not. It's pretty much seems to have done something. What significant changes have we done? Go. Go. No. Still nothing. Why? Nope. I feel like Replit's latest update starts brand new chats and then it forgets all the context of where it was. And we get loops like this. Is there any way I can get, like, for me to get a better view on this? Problems? Refresh. Well, we definitely have a problem now. I quite like it when it does like this though, because we kind of get on the trail of something. Fix it, please. I see the root cause now. Nice. Well, at least we've got the screen back. But do we have a server? Oh, we got closer to having a server. That's great. Okay. Okay. Fine. I'm happy with that. I'll take that. Fix. The best thing that you can have is these errors, because then it'll fix it. If you have absolutely nothing, it's really, really difficult to be like, I need you to fix this, because it's like going in blind. It's going in totally blind. You can do it, please fix it. Because if we can then get building the servers, we can try and just get that infrastructure in. That'd be great. And then we move it to cursor. We refactor it. No, we move it to cursor. We get Replit to make a document about the project rules. We tell cursor, please God, do not touch the infrastructure unless you really, really need to. We're going to back it up on Git. And then we're going to make it beautiful. Refactor it. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. Let's try. Oh, no. No. Stop it running. Let's run it again. Just to make sure. And we were so close. Okay, nothing happening when I press create server. We should close the pop-up and show the server created. Please. Please. I'm gonna see if I can find some cool designs too from back in the day. Yes. Yes, I do. That is exactly what I want you to do. Do. Nope. Nope. Nothing's happening. Log out. Log out. No, log out isn't working. What? Nope. Now the log out button isn't working either. Man. This is slow progress. So slow. I've got such big plans for this as well, like having a Google login, having a Discord login. We're almost at 50 minutes now, and if we didn't have this error, we would be flying. But this is what we got. What? Why does it change the login? It like changed the login completely. No, this is not what I wanted. Go. Now I can't log in. No. What are you doing? Let's roll back. It's getting very confused. Yeah. Can't log out. Can't log out. Okay, I'm just gonna start a new one of these. The create server button and the log out button do not work. Investigate. Why and fix, please. Hopefully having a brand new fresh chat will help. Because I really wanted just to get all the infrastructure in Replit first before going into Cursor, but it's going to make me pull it into Cursor if it just gets stuck on these really silly things. Do it. It says the logs, but where are the logs? I don't even see the logs. Do you have logs? I don't see any log. Where is it finding this? It's not here. Don't change the login page. Yes. Because I quite like it. Okay. No, I did change the login page again. Why? Why is it doing that? What in the world? Okay, you change the login page. And now I can't log in. Why does it do this? Why would you do this? It keeps saying it's taking a screenshot, but it's not. Oh, maybe it's on a different screen size. Could be that. Could be. Think, my beauty. Think. I believe. I just need you to do something super simple, Replit, please. Can I log out? Okay, it says logging out but doesn't do anything. Can I just type something? Okay, server doesn't do anything. Ah, this is so frustrating. Log out button and create server button. Don't do anything in the UI. There we go. Maybe it's just the UI. Maybe. Ideally, it's just the UI. I'm gonna go a little bit insane this Sunday afternoon. Why? Maybe that's the keyword, is redirect. I think I'm going to ask it. Maybe it'll fix the login, but I don't think it's going to redirect. It's all about how you use your words. Let me log in, please. Let me log in. No, the login won't let me. Login won't let me log in again. What is wrong? Why are we going around in circles? I really think that since Replit has put in this, every time there's a checkpoint you get charged 25 cents, they have made it really dumb. Really, really, really dumb. Almost unusable. It doesn't do anything. Come on, what's going on? Okay, unfortunately, we're going to have to pull this into cursor already because it is just struggling from the get-go, strangely enough. So, that's it. Okay, so we're going to fire up my terminal and we're going to fire up cursor. We're going to go to composer. And firstly, I'm going to get Replit to write some project rules for cursor to follow based on this project, please. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's do it. Replit rules. Okay. Okay. Can't I scroll down? Whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, Replit rules are now in place, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna switch to agent so that it can do this for me. The login, log out, and create server buttons aren't redirecting in the UI. Please investigate why and come up with a plan to fix it, please. Fix it. Cool 3.5 Sonnet, my old friend. I believe. Oh, my phone is ringing. Let me just Oh, you can't hear me. Log out doesn't log out. Oh, sometimes this stuff just goes really, really quickly. And sometimes it just does not get it. I mean, it logged out, but it logged out really, it took ages. Mi madrilla. Come on. So slow, except I'm going to try and log in again. Nope, login does nothing. Login still doesn't redirect. What is happening? I'm just gonna get DeepSeek to try and figure this out for me. Look at my code base. The login and log out isn't redirecting when you click the button. This is something that didn't even need fixing. Why is this? And then I'm going to submit the code base. Yes, I don't mind that China has a code base because it's literally nothing right now. It's not even working right now. I really like it because it comes up with this think. I like it a lot. It seems to be in a loop. Oh my god. Okay. Surprise me. Oh, I can't just apply it. I'm just going to copy paste this in and be like, dude, look. Think about it. Go. Do this. Do what it said. The login and log out was like the minimum of my fears in the beginning. So all I wanted you to do was make the server. Make one server. That's all I wanted you to do. One little server. Oh, I got a very red and angry preview box, so it's like, we've done everything, yay, high five, and then it's like, errors, you have broken it all. Actually, let's go error. I think I'm just gonna have to roll it back already. It's so insane. These tools are so good, but sometimes they are just absolutely terrible. Sometimes they just really, really fall over. Log out doesn't log out still. Oh god, yeah, I'm just gonna roll back. This is the main problem with this stuff right now. Is that it just gets caught on something, and no matter like what you do, it's just like, nope, can't figure it out. Don't know how to redirect. Sorry, totally forgot. Let's see if we can go back to... Can't roll back, but I can. Build the engine prototype. Here. Restore. Restore. That's not good. Let's try this. What is happening now? Don't understand. Whatever. Fix that. I just wanted to go back to when the login button at least worked and all I had... The only problem I had was the server. Please. This is the problem now. Like, because I brought Cursor in, because Cursor and Replit, they don't come together that often. They end up just making crazy stuff. It just does not like P2P. It doesn't seem... Whatever, I don't need extra features, just build. Just fix the problem. Well, Replit at least brought it back. Then we can log in again. There's a whole other issue. No! Just let me log in. Like, what's going on? Log in. Then redirect. There's just something... Honestly, I feel like the AI sometimes works so well. And sometimes it just gets stuck on such silly things. And the worst thing is like, just to fix this very silly thing, it's gonna build out like processes and processes and processes that it doesn't need. It's super annoying. Okay, so now it's logged me in. I can't log out. Let me log out. There we go. Also, the log out doesn't redirect. I'm believing I think God love. There's a chance we can make it now. Fix it, please. I believe. It started off so well. It just had to fix the server thing. It just boulders it up. I bet the login doesn't work now. Oh, okay. No, it's not redirecting. Log in and log out aren't redirecting anymore. Why? Fix. It's so silly. This wasn't even a problem. Why is it a problem now? Even like rolling back with Git, it wasn't allowing you to do it. I don't get it. Like, all I wanted to do was make the server. And like, this is not even the complicated bit. We're not even there yet. No, it's not working. Look, it's not working. Why? Can I make a server? No, can't create a server either. Why? What is going on? Like, I want to just roll back, but it just won't even allow me to. Here, making a server. I'm just gonna see if I can go back here. I'm just gonna press this a couple times. But like I've rolled back and it's still not allowing me to. I don't get it. Don't get it. What is that? Like, I don't get it. I don't understand. Okay, restored. But it allowed me to log in and log out before. That's the thing. Look, I'm now logged in. Can't log out. Why? Like, there's nothing in the console. No problems. It's so strange. Okay. Let's try again. Log in and log out buttons don't immediately redirect. Also, cannot create server. What is wrong with these buttons? It's kind of frustrating. Come on. Come on. Sure, add a loading state. I don't mind. I prefer to know it's just loading. Just having a good think about it. Okay, well, at least we've added stuff. Let's do it. See if we redirect. We do not redirect. It says welcome back, but it does not redirect me. Okay. When I try and log in, it says welcome back, but does not navigate to the page where I can create servers. Like it made all of this so quickly, like the login stuff, but just got snagged, and this is where we're at. Log out doesn't redirect back to the login page. Do we really have to be so explicit here? This is really painful. Usually just like the log out, log in is the least painful part of this. So why? What is it about a Sunday? What is it about a Sunday? Any guesses? It still didn't redirect. What is happening? What is happening? Why? Log out and log in aren't redirecting at all. Please, I will sacrifice a bunny if you don't do this properly. It's really like Replit. I don't understand what's happened with it. It's like it's been watered down. That's the only way I can explain it. The agent is like extremely underpowered right now. It's very odd. Nope. Still nothing. I will lose my job if you can't do this. Time to get threatening. Let's get all threaty with AI. Let's try. I don't know what happened when we tried to fix that server button, but add lots of logs to the login and the log out flow, including when it redirects, because it is never redirecting. This is mad. Like, this is crazy. I've never had so much problem with the login and log out ever. Ever, ever, ever. I just wanted to get to the good bit. Skip to the good bit, please, please. Please, oh please, oh please. It seems like when I press log in or log out, it takes about 60 seconds to redirect. Because I think that it does redirect, it just takes so long to do it. About 60 seconds to read. Nope. Nope. I see this in the console. I don't see anything else when I press login. It really feels like it's editing somewhere else. Like it's editing a whole different page. I really hope that they didn't dumb down Replit, and that's why we're having this issue. But it really feels like they did. It feels like they've changed this to a crappy model. It feels like it's coding with 4.0 mini. That's what it feels like it's coding with. Maybe they did. Maybe they changed it. Because they want to save money. Oh. What does it say? Still nothing. What is this? I see this in the console, but again on log out I don't get redirected. It's very weird, very strange console. It's like doing so many repeat things. All I wanted to do was fix the server. That's all I wanted it to do. This is just laborious at this moment. Yeah, it says, can you try logging out? Can you try logging in? Can you try logging out? And it doesn't do it. Like, it's not doing anything. Like, at least if I had a TypeScript error or something. I don't know if this was a problem from the beginning. I don't think it was. Okay, now I'm in. Can't log out, I assume. Nope. Okay. I need to manually refresh the page to be able to log to redirect when logging in and out. Why? This is very silly. What does it say? What is happening? Same issue. Dig deeper. This is so annoying. Like, this is such a basic thing for it to know how to do. It's weird that it's getting tripped up, which is why I feel like they've changed the AI. Like, I feel like they've changed the agent to be more stupid. Okay. I genuinely have never ever had a problem with log in and log out with Replit before. Ever, ever. Mm-hmm. What is happening? What is happening? Why? Okay. Same issue. Again. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna have to start all over again. Like, genuinely. Because this is crazy. I feel like I'm gonna have to tell it, like, rebuild this completely. Like, whatever you've done just insane things. Like, just not being able to redirect on login, and then having a big issue with that. What is happening? I'm gonna ask DeepSeek what our issue is, and then feed that into Replit. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, look at our code base. I need to refresh to redirect when logging in and out. This should be done automatically. Why do you think this is happening? Question. I'm gonna send this. Two AI brains, better than one. So what you doing about it? If I've correctly identified them, somehow, what you doing about them? I haven't done it. DeepSeek R1 did it. Like, if DeepSeek R1 could do this, I think that's going to be my new tactic. If this works, I'm just going to, like, every change that I want to make, I'm going to ask DeepSeek R1, how would you do it? And then I'm going to paste it into Replit. Because this is wild. It's wild that it's not working. Like, the last thing I built was a body, and I managed to make that in 2 hours. And in this, I can't even make a login. Like, what is happening? I feel like literally in the last week, the AI's capacity has just dipped. And I don't get it. Like, I don't understand why. Like, it's thinking. I really did think this was going to be much faster than it is. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Query state navigation, complete navigation logic cache management. Let's implement solution by moving all navigation logic to the protected root component, ensuring immediate state updates. In mutations, properly configuring React query with cache settings, moving manual navigation from auth mutations. Okay. What did it do here? Finally, let's update the auth hook to focus solely on the state management without navigation logic. Right. I just don't get it. I don't understand. Why? Logged in as Lizzie. There we go. Look, still nothing. Nope. This is madness. It's so slow right now. No, this is terrible. This is actually really terrible. It's not working at all. I don't understand why. I'm literally going to start again. Yeah, I'm going to start right from the beginning. Where's my original? Oof, we went at this a while ago. That's the first message. Okay, here we go. We're going to start again. I'm just going to delete that. Here you go. Build it. Because that's madness. That's real madness. I don't know what is going on with Replit right now, but it is so slow. User roles and permissions, direct messaging. Yeah, whatever. Build that. Look, basic username, password authentication. That's how it should be. I feel like it's the luck of the draw sometimes. Because all I really wanted to do was, in cursor, literally just make more aesthetic changes. But it's, yeah, not even allowing me. Whoa, watch it go. Looks really cool at the beginning, but let's just hope. It's where we're going to have the DOM issue again and the WebSocket issue. That's what I foresee. That's what I foresee. My stream is stopped, it appears. Has it? Appears like that to me. Oh no, we're good. Come on, mashed potato, mashed potato, mashed potato. Oh, we're not looking good because we're already having errors. God damn. God damn it. Let's get my view up. Cool. Will this work? Will it work? Will it blend? Okay, look, look. I was able to redirect. Why? Why? I'm gonna try and log out now. See? What is like, this is exactly what I wanted in the last one, and it could not be achieved. Okay. Whatever. What is this? Okay. Define a WebSocket URL and fix the rest, please. Okay. I didn't really want it to be in dark mode, but beggars cannot be choosers. Their name is Bob. Did we create Bob? Did we create a Bob? Yeah. Okay. Define the local host, please. Thank you. It still hasn't done it. Define localhost URL as described in this console thing. Define localhost URL with feet. This is literally the problem we just had in the other one. I could really eat some cake right now. It has deleted the word server and it has put in the word server. Then we read. Still got this issue. It's exactly the same issue. This is what I mean. I feel like the AI is just not doing this correctly. Let's see. It's still there. Fix the WebSocket URL to be compatible with the delete WebSocket, whatever. This is literally what I just did in the last one. I don't know whether to Ask O3 maybe to review the code, come up with ideas. Because this is getting painful. Not getting painful, it is painful. I'm just going to say define localhost, I guess. Nope, still that. I don't feel like I'm doing anything super complicated. Still there. At least in the other one we were able to do it. This is very frustrating. Seems like if it's not one thing, it's another thing that it just gets like fully stuck on. Why? I love that. It's like agent memory is getting full. You gotta change, but it's not doing what I'm asking it to do at all. Web socket URL is compatible with Vite, so Vite can connect. It's kind of annoying because you'd think with 2 hours away of this, we would get a little bit further on, but this is just endlessly frustrating. It's tripping up over the same stuff continuously. I don't get it. Like, in the other one, it was able to connect the WebSocket quite quickly, but in this one, it doesn't know what it's doing with the WebSocket, but it can log in and log out. Like, you'd think it would maybe even use the same components across different projects or something. But like I said, I feel like they've dumbed down the AI a lot. A lot. No, it's going to be still there. Of course it is. Yeah, still there. I'm going to give it like half an hour more and then I'm going to say, absolutely not. I'm not doing this anymore. It's a tomorrow problem. Still there, yeah. It's not. I can tell you that already. I can tell you that already. That it's not working. It's extremely frustrating when you just want to get going. I feel even like they must rate limit people on this too, because it goes so slow. I'm just gonna stare into the void. If the real-time chat functionality is working, like, dude, fix that. I'm just gonna ask DeepSeek. I keep getting this error in the console on a new project. Help me figure out how to fix it. So I literally fixed this in the other one in like 5 minutes. So it's very strange. New server doesn't do anything. Nope. Come on, DeepSeek. Can I log out? Yes. Can I log in? Yes. What is this? Why is this new stuff now? Fix it. Still not able to construct the WebSocket. No. Same error. Please define. Please define it. Just define it. Just define it. Even DeepSeek's let me down. Oh yeah. Nice. So how did it fix it this time? Like what is it? What is the prompt I need to put in next time? That's what I've asked it to do like 10 times. Or whatever. Fine, fine. I'm happy with that. Okay. Works. Thanks. Ugh, one hurdle done. Okay. Make the flow for adding a new server from the new server button, please, including the UI. I'm not going to deploy that. Are you crazy? Let's pray we get somewhere. What was all that? Interesting. Nope. So next time, basically all I need to do is just go WebSocket, the URL, define this, and that's it. That's basically how we get that working. Man, all I wanted to do by the end of tonight was just get the infrastructure in place. If I can do that, if I can do that in like the last 20 minutes on a brand new project, I will be thrilled. I will be thrilled. Oh, that's not a good screenshot to take, is it? What is this? Looks like it's trying to find a tooltip somewhere. Yeah. Okay, great. Great, we are connected. Can I log out? I can log out. Can I log in? I can kind of log in. Okay. When I log in, I see this. Kind of, sort of, maybe, not really. We almost did it. We were almost there. Almost. Oh, sorry. Oh. I just really want to get this done. I really want to get this done. Okay, can we log out? Success. Can we log in? Success. Yes. New server. Server name is gonna be Bop. It's gonna call Bop. Alright, server's not working. Let's check the console. Okay. I'm gonna try and be as detailed as possible. When I try and create this server, I can type the name, but when I press create server button, I get stuck on the attached screenshot and nothing happens. Why is this happening? Why is it not creating the server? Now we are back. We're back to the first problem that we had. until it gave us more problems. I don't mind it giving me problems, but I just want to. I wish I could see exactly what it's reading. Chances of it working first try? -10. Bop. Nope. Same thing as before. Think, Replit, think. I do believe. Bop. Can I log out? Can I log in? Bop. I can't create my server called Bob. I can't create my server called Bob. Oh, sleepy. Server called Bob, server called Bob. Come on, server called Bob. Bob Ricard. Bob. Bop. I don't see any detail error messages, but still when I try and make my server called Bob. Nothing happens. Stuck on the pop-up. It should open the new server we just created. Come on, cervical Bob, cervical Bob, cervical Bob. Bob, 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 Bob. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Like, why is it touching the WebSocket? I see this in the console. Maybe the UI isn't updating properly. Maybe, could be, possibly. Who knows? I'm glad I can still log out and log in. Have to keep testing that after the last round. Who's have it? Go Bob. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna run. Up. Let's just see if we can get server Bob. That would be awesome. All it's doing is making logs. It's not actually fixing stuff. Bib. Nope. Nothing happening. Okay. Gonna connect cursor. No SSH. Close. Connect via SSH. Connect this. Add new SSH. Here we go. And then I'm gonna ask what it thinks. We're making a Discord style. I'm gonna do the O3. Let's try O3. What it thinks. We're making a Discord style chat web app. When I press the create server button, nothing happens. It's like the button hasn't been pressed. None of the logs are showing in the console either. What is happening? Investigate and then tell me what to check in bullet points. Let's do it. 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 Again, it just defaulted to R1. Why? Okay, this is what it's saying. I love DeepSeek. Well, it was supposed to be O3, but it decided to use DeepSeek instead, weirdly. Why is it putting everything into the WebSocket? All we need is a cervical bub. Whoa. Whoa. But why? The button's gone. Hmm. It's I keep putting in O3 and it just defaults to DeepSeek. It's so weird. Can I log out? Yeah. Can I log in? Yep. Well, nope. Where is it seeing this though? I don't see that. Bob. And dialog opens. I can type in the name, but the Great Server button doesn't change anything. Let's see. Between a couple of AIs, we'll get there. It doesn't submit. It doesn't submit. Maybe that's the word I needed to use, was submit. Still nothing. Well, nope. Still doesn't. I'm just going to put this again, because I don't think that it did all of these checks. Why does it have a bug? So weird. Nope. If you can do that, that would be great. That would be very good. I bet it's fucked up the login. No, it hasn't. Good. Bob. Oh, baby. I did. Still doesn't navigate to that page. Bob. Nope. This is not what I was hoping for. Bob. Nope. I can log out. I can log in. Oh. Nope. It still does not. I'm gonna ask again, DeepSeek, no, or O3. I want to ask O3, but for some reason it keeps defaulting back. Why, when I click create server, isn't it creating the server and opening that room, that server chat room? Again, it's just randomly defaulted to DeepSeek. Why? It's not gonna work. None of it works. Oh, 3 is so slow. O3 Mini is still thinking about it. So we're just making logs and logs and logs and logs. Try that. I think it missed the point, but fine. What is all this? What is all this? Woo! How about that? What is all this? Bob. No, it's still not. It's still not. Nope. It sucks. It sucks. It sucks. Hmm. Hmm. Mhm. My server's crashing. I just want a room called Bob. I just want a room called Bob. Still can't make my server chat room called Bob. Same error as always. When I press create server, nothing happens. I have had this error in the past. Boo! I don't believe you fixed it. How can you see these errors and be like, ta-da! Here we go. I'm gonna stop in 10 minutes because I can't be bothered anymore. Because it's just... it's so silly. But... nope. Nothing happens. Still. Where is create server supposed to redirect to? Maybe you don't know. Maybe that's why. I'm gonna use cursor to fuck it up. Bob. Yobo. Nope. Okay, I'm just gonna ask it. Investigate. We are making a Discord style chat web app. Investigate for me why we cannot why when I click to create server, create chat room, nothing happens. Wow, it did nothing. Oh man. Here we go. Bob. Same issue. Mm-hmm. Maybe we can get there if Cursor can do it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's run. Oh, whoa. Nothing. Okay. I tried setting up server. I just see this in the console. Cause it's not doing it. So we had two WebSocket implementations, which is odd. I thought that it wasn't editing the right thing. Again, what's happening here? Try again. Okay, so it's asking me to log out. Log back in. Nope. Still nothing. Let's go again. Nope. Seems to not like the WebSocket. I was in the middle of changing stuff, so let's try again. This is really frustrating. Okay, let's give it a try again. Nope. Same thing. It's so weird how these things are not interacting properly. Such a simple issue, and it's just not. It's just not. We just ain't there. Okay. Try again. Ugh, come on. Fix this, please. Please, please, please. Go. Maybe Replit can do it now. Maybe Replit knows. Oh, this is a tough one. And it's driving me crazy. We're back at the WebSocket thing. It's crazy. It does not like doing P2P stuff. It does not like it at all. Okay, I think I've had enough. I've had enough for today. It's just not doing what I need to do. Which is not great. So I will be back to try and do this again. But yeah, at the moment, not really working for me. Okay, hold on, wait. Dom. Yeah, Dom exception. Okay, yeah, we're back to square one. Anyway, alright, thank you anybody who watched my endless suffering with this. Bye.